Hello everyone, I'm Devon Andrews. I'm the Community Engagement Manager for Charleston County Public Library, and this is
Hulk Smash!
Hulk Smash! And we are here today because it is February. If you're in the future watching us in February, we are still in January on New Year's Day to be exact. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, Hulk.
Happy New Year.
So since it is February in the future, we are showing you some fun superfood recipes because February is, of course, Valentine's month and the month of love, but also American Heart Month. So we're showing you recipes that are good for your heart to make you stronger, faster, and healthier. So we are going to make a really cool, really healthy Monster Green Hulk smoothie. So this recipe is actually from the American Heart Association's website and is chock full of all kinds of superfoods that are hopefully going to encourage kids to eat some pretty nutritious stuff. We'll see. So first, Elliot, we are going to make this smoothie using green fruits and vegetables. Do you know some green fruits and vegetables?
Apples, and cucumbers, and spinach.
And do you know what this is?
What is it?
That's a kiwi.
Kiwi?
Yeah, what do you think?
Kiwi.
You want to try a little piece?
No.
No? Okay, maybe in our smoothie he will. So, we've got these nutritious things here. Can you put the apples in our blender? Because of course you need a blender to blend everything up into our tasty smoothie.
What do we do?
We just keep putting the apples in there. We're gonna put all of this in there. So we're putting green apples. I left the peel on per the recipe instructions because the peel has even more nutrients in there. And I just cord it and cut it into large chunks. Then I got about a little over a handful of washed spinach leaves. So I'll put the spinach in there.
Yep.
And we know that spinach is extremely healthy, full of all kinds of nutrients and antioxidants
Apples.
to make your body super healthy.
Cucumbers now.
Cucumbers, look at this, it's already getting full. And we got a kiwi that we peeled and just cut up a little bit. We're actually kind of fell apart when I was taking the peel off. And then we got a cucumber, just about a quarter of a cucumber that we peeled and chopped. Okay, very beautiful, very nice. And then to give it some good flavor, we're gonna put some lemon juice in there. And you can use fresh lemon juice, of course. I don't think I have any lemons handy, so I just grabbed a bottle of lemon juice concentrate.
I'm gonna try.
Okay, so we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to fill up the measuring spoon.
I'll pour it in.
Oh, very good. Okay, hold it over. Teamwork. Okay, dump that one in there, and then we're gonna do 1 more tablespoon.
It's getting full.
It's getting full. Okay, dump it. Thank you, my friend.
Oh, can I try some lemon juice?
You can. I'm gonna put a little in the measuring spoon. Let's do that. You know, it's very tart.
Sour.
What do you think?
Sour.
It is sour. It's fun to use it to flavor stuff, but it's not. Look at your face. Okay, but now
He got eaten by the woods.
we got
One of the person got eaten by the woods.
Oh no. What's that from?
Link?
Link? Okay.
Yeah, that bad baby was here too. He said he's gonna get eaten by the woods.
Oh, yikes.
Because he wasn't even being happy.
Who knew? So now we're gonna add some honey because we know the lemon juice was sour, right? But is honey sour?
No.
Nope, honey is sweet. So we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of honey.
I'll do it.
Hold that? Okay. Yeah, let's see. It's very thick. There we go.
Honey.
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 Honey, I'm home. All right. Delicious. Okay, and now to give it some liquid, we're going to use a cup of milk. But if you don't want to use milk, you can use water. or a milk substitute?
I don't have milk.
Wonderful.
Let's get all the milk.
Wonderful. And to make it a little colder, we're gonna put some ice in there. Although
I want to do it.
you don't have to put ice, you can just use chilled ingredients in your smoothie if you want to. We're gonna put melted ice. Okay. Yay! There we go. Okay. So we've got our lid. And now we're gonna blend it. You know it's gonna be loud.
No. I want to hurry on the couch.
Oh no, run! This blender has the shortest cord in the world. So, hold it like this. Let's see. Okay, the bottom's blended, the top is not. So we're gonna just stir it around a little bit.
Are we gonna do it again?
Yeah, but it's almost done. Ooh, it's very green.
Oh, can I see?
Yeah. This is gonna be extremely healthy.
Yeah.
You think this might give us Hulk powers?
Yeah.
Okay, here it goes. Full disclosure, I actually don't know what most of the buttons on the blender do. So when I blend something, I just hit every one. Yeah, it looks really fun. It looks like we even could have maybe used a little less milk if we wanted to. Smoothie. Are we gonna try it now?
What?
We're gonna try it now. Come sit back in your seat. Other way. All right, this is really exciting. Oh man, look at that. It's so green.
That one for you and what's mine?
I thought we'd share one.
No, what's the...
Okay, then this can be yours.
Okay.
Okay? All right, give it a big sip. You like it? Is it good?
Yeah.
That's awesome. And it is super healthy. Can I try a sip?
It gave me whole pound.
Oh my goodness, that is good.
And gave me whole pound to smashing very hard.
That is very good. It's better than I thought it would be. Although I never should have doubted.
Pound the table very hard.
And smash the glass like Hulk? No, don't do that.
See?
So,
It gave me whole pound like that.
yeah. So obviously, at least with this kid, this is a good recipe to get them to have some spinach and have all those other good things we put in their diet to give them all those nutrients. Do you feel stronger and healthier already?
Yeah, and it gave me this.
And he got that power too. All right, wait, let's say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, we'll see you later.